I hate to be the one to break it to you, but what got you to where you are isn't going to work anymore. It's time to let the past go and move on. Of course, I'm talking about your marketing. The market is shifting from the super hot sellers market and cooling off. The half a dozen cell phone shots of your hot new listing isn't going to cut it. You need a marketing plan, both for your listings and for your brand. As your marketing team and partner, I feel it's our duty and responsibility to help guide you to success. I can't just stand by and watch as you flounder trying to do it all. While good marketing requires professional media, such as photos, virtual tours, and video, it also requires that your messaging is clear and that you're speaking to a specific audience. Servant 360 is a real estate media company, but we're marketers first. My background comes from growing businesses with sound marketing systems and concepts. And that's why we do these videos, to help guide you in your marketing, not just provide some great-looking images and video. There's a framework to clarifying your marketing and message that is foundational to all your other marketing efforts. The author Donald Miller writes about it in his book, Building a Story Brand. It's a pivotal mindset shift in the way you approach marketing and the way you speak to your potential customers. I highly recommend reading it for yourself and going through the exercise of writing out the pieces of the framework. We love talking about marketing, so if you want some help working through the framework and clarifying your message, reach out and we can chat over coffee to see how we can help guide you in your marketing journey. What you've been doing isn't going to work anymore. It's time you got serious and made a plan that will. At Servant 360, we feel realtors shouldn't have to put up with inconsistent results for their marketing providers. And that's why we provide consistent quality photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and videos that help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Help us spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.